Hello, this is an unboxing video, manufacturer number SIII832x56LRTD. This is made by Sightron. It's a long-range scope. I'm going to open up the box with you so you can see how it comes packaged and what's inside the product. It does come fully bubble wrapped. It comes with a nice soft case to protect the scope. Inside here has your cover for the lens. Also your operating instructions and a cleaning cloth for the scope lenses. Just take it out of the package here. Give you a good 360 of it. And again, this is your Sightron SIII 8-32x56mm long range scope.